What's the most unbelievable thing you've ever seen a parent allow their child to do? I never thought I'd witness it until I was sitting in a crowded restaurant on a Saturday evening. The place was packed, servers were rushing from table to table, and everyone was waiting for their food. I was celebrating my birthday with a few friends when a woman walked in with her son, who looked about 8 years old. At first, nothing seemed unusual. They were seated at the table next to ours, and within minutes, the boy started complaining that he didn't like where they were sitting. Instead of telling him to calm down, his mom asked the hostess if they could move to a different table. When she politely explained that the restaurant was fully booked, the boy screamed, "I want that table," while pointing directly at ours. His mother actually walked over and asked if we'd switch because my son deserves a better view. We politely declined since we'd already ordered our food. She sighed dramatically, rolled her eyes, and returned to her seat while muttering loud enough for everyone to hear. Some people have no kindness. A few minutes later, the boy started running around the restaurant. He wasn't just walking, he was sprinting between tables, nearly knocking into waiters carrying hot plates. Every time someone asked him to slow down, his mom smiled and said, "He's just full of energy." One waiter almost dropped an entire tray of drinks trying to avoid him. Still, she didn't move. She just kept scrolling through her phone as if nothing was happening. Then the boy spotted the dessert display near the entrance. Before anyone could stop him, he opened the glass case, grabbed a cupcake with his bare hands, took one bite, and shoved it back onto the tray. The waitress gasped and rushed over. "Ma'am, your son can't do that." The mother looked up for the first time in several minutes and casually replied, "He's just curious. You can throw that one away." Everyone in the restaurant stared in disbelief. I honestly thought things couldn't get any worse. Then our meals finally arrived. As the waiter placed my steak in front of me, the boy walked right over to our table without asking, grabbed a handful of my French fries, and started eating them. I looked at his mother, expecting her to apologize. Instead, she smiled and said, "He's a growing boy." I couldn't believe what I was hearing. I calmly replied, "Those are my fries." She shrugged and answered, "They're just fries. Don't be so dramatic." My friend sat there completely speechless. Before I could respond, the elderly couple sitting behind us spoke up. The woman looked directly at the mother and said, "Teaching children respect is far more important than letting them do whatever they want." The restaurant became completely silent. A manager walked over after several customers complained. He reviewed the security cameras and saw everything, the running, the cupcake, and the boy taking food from other tables. He politely informed the mother that she'd have to pay for the damaged dessert and asked her to keep her son seated for everyone's safety. Instead of apologizing, she accused the restaurant of targeting families. The manager remained calm and replied, "We're not targeting families, ma'am. We're asking for basic respect toward other guests." At that moment, several customers nodded in agreement. Realizing nobody was on her side, she paid the bill, grabbed her son's hand, and stormed out while complaining that she'd never return. As everyone watched them leave, the entire restaurant seemed to breathe a sigh of relief. On the way home, I kept thinking about what I'd witnessed. That little boy wasn't the real problem. He simply believed the world had no rules because nobody had ever taught him otherwise. And that's a lesson I'll never forget. A child's behavior often reflects the guidance they receive, and sometimes the loudest tantrums don't reveal a spoiled kid. They reveal a parent who mistakes a lack of boundaries for love.